Hello everyone, this is Lien coming to you from the CME NYMEX floor. The Canadian dollar was really on the move today. It hit fresh 8-month lows. We haven't seen the Canadian dollar this week since July of 2017. It actually knocked on 130's door, dollar CAD did, 3 times over the past month. And it seems like the third time was a charm, because once it blew past 130, it shot as high as 130.65 and now seems to be eyeing 132. So what drove this unusually large slide in the Canadian dollar? Well, first and foremost, this morning we had weaker existing home sales data, and then we also had Trump talk about Canadian trade. Those existing home sales data showed sales at its weakest level year over year in 5 years. And then Trump basically talked about how Canadian trade is not as ideal as he would like, and that kind of raised concerns or revived concerns about NAFTA, and how even though they've been provided temporary exemptions to the steel and aluminum tariffs, that if NAFTA negotiations don't go well, and clearly Trump is still using it as a bargaining chip, that those tariffs could return. Bank of Canada Governor Paulos also had dovish, cautious comments made at the front of the week. That really kick-started the Canadian dollar slide, and it was later exacerbated by the existing home sales data and Trump. But in terms of the Bank of Canada Governor, they have raised interest rates earlier this year, but after that rate hike with NAFTA uncertainty, they're worried about the momentum in the economy. And the last time we heard from him, which was earlier this week, Paulos indicated that they are in no rush to raise interest rates. Even though the next move will be higher, they have no idea when that's going to happen. And I think in light of the softer data and in light of the uncertainty for the Canadian economy, we've seen quite a bit of weakness in the Canadian dollar. And on both a fundamental and technical basis, we certainly could see further weakness in the loonie and gains for dollar CAD. Thank you so much for listening.